Welcome to ProMonk, your ultimate destination for the latest and most exciting tech updates. Today, we are diving deep into the world of the OnePlus 12 Pro, the flagship smartphone that is redefining performance, design, and innovation in 2025. If you're a true smartphone lover who wants to stay ahead in the tech race, then this phone is going to leave you speechless. But before we begin, make sure to hit that subscribe button and join our growing tech family. Because here at ProMonk, we bring you the best of technology every single day. Let's start with the most eye-catching part of the OnePlus 12 Pro, its display. This device comes with a massive 6.82-inch 2K AMOLED LTPO screen that supports an adaptive 120Hz refresh rate. Whether you are gaming, streaming videos, or scrolling through social media, this display feels unbelievably smooth and immersive. The brightness, the clarity, the contrast, everything has been fine-tuned to perfection. And with Gorilla Glass Victus 2 protection, this phone doesn't just look premium, it feels incredibly durable too. Now, moving on to the performance powerhouse inside the OnePlus 12 Pro. It is powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor, which is currently one of the most advanced and fastest processors in the smartphone industry. Paired with up to 24GB of LPDDR5X RAM and 1TB of UFS 4.0 storage, this device can handle anything you throw at it. Multitasking, gaming, content creation, everything feels seamless. You'll never have to worry about lag, slowdowns, or app crashes again. This phone is built for speed and power lovers. But what truly makes the OnePlus 12 Pro stand out is its Hasselblad camera system. At the back, you get a 50 megapixels primary sensor, a 64 megapixels periscope telephoto lens with 3x optical zoom, and a 48 megapixels ultra-wide camera. Together, they create magic. From breathtaking landscapes to sharp portraits, and from detailed night shots to cinematic 8K video recording, this phone transforms photography into an art form. And for all selfie lovers, the 32 megapixels front camera ensures your pictures and video calls are crystal clear. Now let's talk about battery and charging, the real game changer. The OnePlus 12 Pro comes with a massive 5400 mAh battery that can easily last you an entire day, even with heavy use. But here's the best part. It supports 100W SuperVOOC wired charging and 50W wireless charging. Imagine this. You plug in your phone, and in just 26 minutes it goes from 0 to 100%. That's insane speed. And yes, you also get reverse wireless charging, so you can even charge your earbuds or another phone directly from your OnePlus 12 Pro. Design-wise, OnePlus has taken things to the next level. With its curved glass body, aluminum frame, and IP65 water and dust resistance, this phone is built to impress. It feels premium in the hand, looks stylish on the table, and the overall craftsmanship makes it one of the best-looking smartphones of 2025. Whether you choose the flowy emerald, silky black, or other stunning finishes, this phone will definitely turn heads. In short, the OnePlus 12 Pro is not